Welcome to fall semester. We had a great first week, and everyone is adapting to our new Stay Safe Washington State measures like health assessments, temperature checks, and masks. We also have installed plastic barriers to aid instruction, adjusted rooms to enable social distancing, and placed cleaning kits in each classroom. As a member of our WSCC campus community, we want to let you know that we've also been working closely with our local health department and Memorial Health System to develop a protocol in the event that someone at WSCC tests positive for COVID-19. If you test positive for COVID-19, please complete WSCC's new COVID notification form. The form can be found on our website at wscc.edu/staysafe and on my WSCC portal page. A link will also be sent directly to your WSCC email. If you complete the form, your identity will be kept confidential. If you're a faculty member and you've been notified directly by a student that he or she has tested positive, we ask you to fill out that form. If you test positive, you'll need to follow orders from the health department to self-isolate for 10 days. Be sure to coordinate with your instructor or supervisor during the self-isolation period for a plan for work or class. If you're asymptomatic, you may opt to continue to work remotely, but those plans should be coordinated on a case-by-case basis with your instructor or supervisor. Finally, the local health department, not WSCC, will be conducting contact tracing if an individual from our campus community tests positive. To assist the health department with contact tracing, we're asking faculty to maintain a seating chart for in-person classes. We're also asking staff to maintain a list of student appointments, either walk-in or scheduled, which lasts more than 15 minutes.
Washington State understands that there are lots of questions right now about the steps to take if someone has been exposed to COVID-19. Based on conversations with the health department and Memorial Health System, we want to clarify how exposure is defined. Exposure is defined as being less than 6 feet apart from an individual that has tested positive for COVID-19 for more than 15 minutes without a mask. Further, to meet the definition of exposure, you would also need to have been around this individual 2 days before the positive test result or the start of symptoms. The key to limiting exposure is certainly to wear a mask and maintain social distance. If you've been exposed to someone with COVID-19 based on this definition of exposure, you may be contacted by the health department as part of contact tracing. In this case, you'll need to follow the orders from the health department to self-quarantine for 14 days. If you're not contacted by the health department but believe that you have met the definition of exposure, you may consider testing. If you're tested and the results are negative, you can return to class or work at WSCC. If you're tested and the results are positive, you'll need to follow the health department orders for self-isolation. Please be sure to coordinate with your instructor or supervisor during this period to develop a plan for class or work. WSCC will continue to work closely with our local health department and hospitals to make updates and changes to the COVID protocol as necessary. Thank you for continuing safe practices like wearing masks, washing hands, and social distancing. We appreciate everyone doing their part to keep our campus community healthy. Stay safe, Washington State.